Hello and welcome to your big guy channel. In this video we will talk about how you can boost your computer speed if it is slow. So there are 5 ways you can enhance the speed of your computer. So let's get started. Number 1, you should check for the updates. Okay, so if your windows are updated or no. So simply type window updates. Anyway, even if you just type window, you will see up there, you can simply click here, so it will open the setting, windows updated setting. Okay, so to go to search bar, simply here you have to press either you can simply click there from your mouse, or else you can press window plus R, window plus S, anything. Okay, let's go window update. When you click on window update, it should show on the right side and that window require update or not. If it is required update, please do update it, because this is the first step to enhance the speed of your computer. Okay, let's get back to another one. Number 2, always look for if there is any background apps which are always running. There are some apps which are always running. So background app, not here, we supposed to type here background apps. Should open in the setting. So in background app you will see all those applications supposed to be closed like this. These are all off, so none of them is opening in the background, so that's why the computer speed is still quite fine. If I open them all, the background apps will always be working and the CPU will be slow, so speed of the computer will be slow. That is number 2. Now we talk about number 3, which is startup apps. There are some applications when you start your computer they open itself, so that's called startup apps. Then you should also change those startup apps. It's always going to the wrong side, supposed to be, you can simply press arrow key right side, so you go to the setting. Okay, so startup app, see here you see Microsoft Edge is startup, only the one app which is a startup app. Otherwise there are so many like Skype, WhatsApp, phone link, all those they open itself whenever you open your computer. So you can simply off them after coming here. If you see any startup app is open, you can simply off, so it will enhance your speed of your computer. And let's talk about number 4, adding or removing any program. Simply type add or remove any program and press enter. Basically, if any app which you are not using and you want to remove, you simply have to uninstall it, because it's not making any sense, right? So if I want to delete this, for instance, I will uninstall because I'm not using this anyway. So you uninstall those apps which are not required. It will help to increase speed of your computer or laptop. Okay, after that there is two more things. Actually, I'll give you one extra tip as well in this video. There is one more thing which you need to do. Let it happen for now and we can come back to this later. Okay, now the last thing you can do is disk cleanup. When you click disk cleanup, there are some in your drive, there are some applications in Windows C is supposed to be open. There are some apps which are not required. Now it's calculating, it will show you which are the apps which are not required, which are just there. So you need to delete them. These are temporary files, so you need to delete those files. Okay, so you simply, already these programs are selected, you can simply click clean up the system or delete it, delete file. If you want to delete them all, you can delete them all. And let's delete them all. Okay, it takes a bit of time because depending on the size of the file, so it's cleaned up. Another thing you can do here is type this percentage and type temp and again percentage. So you go to the temporary files. These are the temporary files in the computer. You can select Ctrl A and press delete button from your keyboard. So all those temporary files will be deleted. Okay, whichever those files which are not required. Let's try again. Some of them were not deleted. Okay, So these are the ways you can increase the speed of your computer, and most importantly, do not store too much data on your desktop. And last thing you can do is to clean your or infringement means by manual cleaning of your CPU fan. Sometimes there is dust stuck and it gets slower because of that too. So always keep your computer clean, so this will help you increase your speed of your computer. That is it about this video, guys. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel, your big guide. So this is my channel, and see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See, my computer is also not that much fast, it's a bit slow. So this is the logo of my YouTube channel. Alright guys, see you.